Chat here from Brian. He asks, "Hey, answer when you can. What is the best mount handheld Garmin for water navigation on 23 Ultra LX?" Well, the neat thing is that Kawasaki integrated the multi-mount system onto the new Ultras, and those are those two little bars that you're going to see. They're probably about this long on the steering neck, and you can get the clamshell. It's a RAM mount, RAM mount. All right, go to RAM mount, and they have a two-part clamp, like a handlebar clamp, and with a ball knob on it, and then you get your Garmin, a handheld Garmin with a mount on there, and I'll tell you what, you could run headfirst into a brick wall, and that Garmin mount is going to still be there. So, not that I recommend that, but the RAM mounts. That's the reason why Yamaha went with RAM mount. If you notice that all the Yamahas today come with RAM mount parts already integrated into the deck, it's because RAM mount is one of the sturdiest, really a good quality brand. Anything to add to that?
I don't use GPS. I get lost.
You don't navigate. You use GPS for speed.
Correct. Yeah, I've got a GPS that strictly shows speed and miles, navigation, and no, I don't have one.
Oh, Chuck already replied. Brian, use a RAM mount.
Yeah.
There it is. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.